We're gonna drive into Broadway at the beach. Of course, all of the non-essential things are closed. Strange sight to see Ripley's deserted and no big line. So strange. And I love these penguin topiaries. All right, Brian says this feels like the zombie apocalypse because there's no music, no people, because they usually have really loud music, background music. In fact, I have a challenge with copyright on YouTube trying to mask it out. This is strange. It's nice though, I mean.
There's not one person in sight around the entire complex.
Wow. It's actually nice to be here though and not have that blaring music. I don't love the music, it's so loud. This is nice. All right, here's a different perspective. And we do have one person. We found one other person who's walking for exercise. And that's it. That's the only other person. Actually, it looks like someone way over there, maybe an employee. Also, Brian just noticed they're really not doing any construction on that area that they demolished. But that could be financial because they know they're not making money right now. So I can kind of see that. We're going to check out the Avenue District, which of course is also going to be deserted because this is where all the bars and a lot of the restaurants are. Mostly bars though, and Dave & Buster's. It's funny, I was talking to Brian. There's going to be some places we used to love to come here that I'm not going to be coming to for a while, and Dave & Buster's is definitely one of them. It's going to be a while before I'll be comfortable.
You get a bunch of cards to turn in though.
Too bad. You're going to be holding on to those. And here you go, and the fountain's off too. That's weird. That fountain at the end is usually always going.
There's a bridge at least.
Okay, you got Wahlburgers, Dueling Piano Bar, Hard Rock, all kinds of stuff, all closed. And it doesn't seem like the restaurants here are doing takeout either. If you know of any, I'm talking about here at Broadway that are, let me know in the comments. But I don't think any of these are. It's interesting, Wahlburgers has this sign which makes it sound like you can order for curbside pickup or delivery, but then they have another sign that says we're closed, like totally closed, so it doesn't look like they are doing it. Lizard sighting. I didn't even see him, Brian spotted him, he blends in. The fountain is barely still running a little. I guess they have to keep it going a minor amount just to keep it from, you know, getting gross, I guess, from sitting around stagnant, but I think it's the first time I've ever been here that I haven't seen that going, like fully going. All right, so here's a sign, but it does sound like they can offer pickup if they want. So if you know of any doing pickup here, let us know in the comments. Brian was just commenting on just how so weird and surreal this really is. I mean, no one in this direction. No one sitting out here enjoying a drink or a meal. No one in this direction. Johnny Rockets has no music going. It's just so strange. And Hard Rock sign's not turning.
Cat.
Oh yeah, kitty. We do see cats here pretty often. Brian and I were just talking, so we saw that gentleman exercising. You totally could come here to exercise because the walkways are really wide, so you could definitely stay 6 feet away from people. I don't know if that's encouraged or not though while they're closed, but you could do it. It's funny, so you see this empty parking lot, that's our car way over there. Brian was just talking about how all the bike racks are wide open. And if you haven't seen our other Myrtle Beach vlogs, we bike to Broadway sometimes and you can't find a place to park your bike anywhere. All the bike racks, I mean full of bikes. And so it's so funny just to see, I'll zoom in on one over here, all the bike racks are,
that's primo parking.
That one's always packed because, well, I think part of it is a lot of the employees use them. Like, so for this Paula Deen's, the employees will use them and that is always totally packed with bikes. I drove around to the other side of Broadway to look at the lack of construction, I guess you could say. And I didn't even realize they had all these old rides sitting over here. It's pretty interesting. So that's where they demolished Pavilion East. So I don't know if they're going to sell these since they're just sitting here, because otherwise I think they would have hauled them off. So they must be trying to sell them. Yeah, so there's been zero progress, but it's not surprising because they're probably holding off on spending money until the economy picks back up. If you've enjoyed this video and you enjoy videos like it, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.